Hello everyone, you know my name. So now we will be starting for automation. So I'm very excited for the automation. But before starting, I'll be clearing some of the things with you guys. So this we will be using the automation tool called as Selenium. So this is all like we are not sharing the study material and we'll be sharing the interview questions which is real time based, which asked by which asked by the interviewer to me or to my colleagues. Whatever our knowledge we will be sharing with you, and whatever we know we will be sharing the answers with you. This is basically the questions. What are the questions asked by the companies to us or to my friends, so that you can probably use your answers to answers your in your way you can answer them. It's not sure, it's not like you have to answer whatever I shared with you. You can probably work on the questions, and you have to work hard, right? Everything is not like like for everyone, uh, for everything you have to do. The plate is not served by others, and you have to work for yourself. So this is like to guide you simply, like what are the questions asked, and this is only real. I used to go to my colleagues and ask, and then only I'll make the videos regarding that questions. So okay, we'll move forward. We'll not waste your time. Just for your kind information, so this is one of the questions, that difference between find element and find elements in Selenium WebDriver. This is very basic questions, and this is this question asked to me in one of the company, and that time I was not able to answer. Seriously, I was prepared and I was working on Selenium, and I'm not able to answer because these are the small things we're not considering it. We are like, oh, okay. But I was explaining him the meaning of the words, and he said, yeah, you're explaining the words. So that was like, that impact will be really wrong. So you should prepare the small, even the small questions. So um, this is a question which I know, like I'm not putting the name of the company. So we'll move through the question. That find element will return only single web element, and if that element is not located, or we use some wrong selector, then it will throw no such element exception, and it will also return the first matching element. Okay, so find element is this is very small definition of find element. And then we will move to find elements. It will return the list of web elements. Okay, we will be giving that locators and all. So like if you give by.id equals to name, okay, so it will give you all the list of web elements. So matching elements. So for this we need to give locator in such a way that it can find multiple elements and will return you the list of web elements. Then using list we can iterate and perform our operation. So in that way, if you give answer, so it will be really good impact on the interview. And and it will return a empty list. Okay, if no such, if there is no element, okay, so it will here in in find element you can see no such element exception, and in find elements you'll be getting empty list exception. Okay, when element is not available. So I hope this video help you. As I said, you can probably use your answer. This is basically the questions which asked to, like it asked to us by the company. So you can prepare. So again, I'm saying don't mug up. You can just prepare smartly and prepare well, work hard. All the very best, guys. And stay tuned for my next video. We'll come up with more question. And stay tuned for my next video. I'm saying again, we'll discuss some more topics so that will help you in your interviews. And please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.